As I'm standing here putting the finishing touches on this stool that I made out of an 1897 wine press, you heard me correctly, 1897. But I was talking to myself, which, by the way, was the most intelligent conversation I've had in a long time. But I said to myself, Tom, you've made some really weird stuff over the years. And you know something? Myself is right. In today's video, we're going to look back over the past 7 years at 20 really weird things that I've made.
Come on, man. What is he doing?
Okay, I've made a lot more than 20, but we're just going to stick to 20 for this video. And here they are in no particular order of weirdness. This is my weird, one-of-a-kind ice tong desk light. I turn it on and off with this touch-sensitive switch. A Pepsi cooler, a Pepsi crate, a walnut piece of wood, and some electricity, and you too can have your own strange-looking charging lamp table. Here's a gas can for your can, and if this one is too short, I made a taller one. Stacking milk crates with a couple of milk bottles still inside. I used a pair of industrial legs of unknown origin and a couple walnut tops with a beautiful polyurethane finish. Some projects can be small, like this wood puzzle. How did the paddle get into the small hole in the canoe? If you want to find out how, then check out my full-length video on this project, which has over 1 million people who have seen it, and they now know the secret. This looks like a nice wooden toy bank for kids to save their money. However, when they drop a coin through the slot in the top, they will get a big surprise. I like making weird lamps. Here's 3 I made using a block plane, a soda can, and a fire hose nozzle. We made it halfway through the video, and now do you see what I mean about weird stuff that I made? Number 10. Here's a one-of-a-kind, odd but interesting double film reel table with a clear epoxy top that has real film and theater tickets embedded inside of the epoxy. While I'm on the subject of film reels, here's a clock that I made out of one. Inspired by the game Connect 4, I decided to make a king-size version out of wood. I bought this old telephone at the flea market and took it completely apart, restored it, added a huge charging battery. Now I have a really strange but cool wall-mounted phone charger. All of the weird projects you're seeing today have full-length videos that go into greater detail. Check them out on my YouTube channel, Allie Picked. And while you're there, why not subscribe as well? I took this old alley picked door apart, resized it, replaced some of the broken glass, and added some stained glass to create a really weird dry erase board. I believe that things can be weird, interesting, and fun at the same time. Do what brings you joy and happiness. And if it makes other people scratch their head, but it makes you smile, that's all that matters. I'm Tom. This is Allie Picton. Thanks for watching.